Well, it's exactly because of what Michael Burry tweeted. So this is the news of the week, and this is very interesting to me. And I have to agree, it's a pretty good point. What he shed some light on last week is really why I think you saw a big shakeup in the market with AI last week, especially some of those GPU like CoreWeave, Nebius, those sort of companies. You saw some shakeup there. Why? Well, it's exactly because of what Michael Burry tweeted. So he tweeted what I had hinted at earlier about depreciation. So, a very interesting fact here for us, Tyler. Back in 2020, the average depreciation estimates on those semiconductors, those GPUs I was talking about for Nvidia, across all of the major companies, the average depreciation or lifespan of those was about 3 years. So you're saying if these companies are going to be buying and putting a lot of money into these assets and they're going to be depreciated after 3 years, that's going to change a lot of things on the balance sheet. What we've seen, however, since basically every year since 2020, we have seen balance sheets add 6 months per year to the depreciation levels. Wow. So for a GPU that started depreciating at 3 years in 2020 is now upwards of estimates of having a lifespan of 5 to 6 years. And that's exactly what Michael Burry was shedding some light on. So he was saying it's going to be overinflating earnings. It's going to be overinflating some revenues. And what it's going to also do is help keep some of those costs down as well. Because as that depreciation, you lengthen the life of an asset, you're going to be able to get more out of it. And so he's really started to shed some light there. And that's really what we saw last week. So when you look at it, it's a pretty good point. It's a pretty good point that he raised.